to use Turnitin.com, which is both a plagiarism checker for the internet. It also checks across FCPS schools. It checks outside anywhere that Turnitin.com has a repository for any of their kids who turn it in. So it's quite wide and broad. So you have to have your kids turn in the assignment twice. And here's how you do it. You start first with add materials. You add an assignment, just like you always would. Call it something. Give it the instructions. You can toggle to the assignment if you have it in Google Drive. You can put the due date. You can put the category. You can go under numeric. If you have a rubric already up there, you can do the rubric. But you don't submit it yet. Now you're going to go here to this little kind of external tool. You're going to find Turnitin.com, which is right here. And you can give it a title, and you should give it a title so the kids know the difference. And then you submit, and you create it, but you're not done. Now you got to go into the essay itself, and now you're going to click on plagiarism or the edit button, and you have to make some choices. So obviously you can give more instructions, but you got to go to the optional settings. Do you want it to go in the standard paper repository, or if you don't want it stored, maybe that's because it's a first draft. But if you do, and most time you do, you want to do that. You want to allow submissions of any type, and that includes an uploaded document, includes OneDrive, and includes Google Drive. You do want late submissions, probably. Do you want to enable grammar checking? Sure, maybe. You want to compare it against their big student repository, the current and archive websites, periodicals, journals, all those things. And then do you want to allow the students to view it? You might want to do that the first couple of times to kind of tell the kids that this is how it looks. Or maybe you choose not to because you don't want to give away any secrets. Do you want to exclude quoted materials, exclude small sources? And then the main thing here is save these settings for future use. You always want to click that because you're probably going to do the same thing every single time. And then you submit. And then you got to submit again. And then if you go back to materials where I started, you'll see here is the essay. Now let me go to the student view. I want to refresh the page, and you should see the essay coming up. And I said you're going to have to turn it in twice. So the first time is here, submit the assignment. That's where you're going to go. The student goes to submit it just like normal so that you can grade it. You can put the bubble comments, or you can put in the Google Drive assignment comments just like normal. You have to go here to the plagiarism checker to upload it into the Turnitin.com one, and it's just going to be upload submission. So the kid has to find it, choose a file, and so they would have downloaded it, and now they have to upload it, and then they're done. And that's how you can do the Turnitin.com checker on Schoology.